Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 13 to 19, 2026. General reading, pwede kayong makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book for a reading sa direkta na sa aking calendar. Link on the description or sa comment section. Okay, Capricorn, let's see what's the energy for you. April 13 to 19. Capricorn. Okay, alam nyo yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, maaring nagiging challenging yung finances ninyo, resources ninyo. You feel uninspired. Parang feeling nyo wala na inspiration, wala kayong motivation. With the Page of Pentacles, there's something na like an opportunity na nasa harap mo na. Pero parang hindi mo pinapansin kasi nga distracted ka sa mga challenges na kinakaharap mo. It's time to take a reality check, Capricorn. Ano yung hindi mo pinapansin na problema? Kasi minsan may awareness ka na doon sa problema na yun. Ayan, malabo siya. Ayan. May awareness ka na sa problema na yun, pero kasi nga na-overwhelm ka, hindi mo na lang pinapansin. Ang problema, hindi siya nasusolusyonan. Okay? You have the Strength card. Ayan, no? Meron kang sapat na lakas. Meron kang kaalaman, talino, para maayos yan. You have the Star. This is about healing. You are healing. Okay? The Star is also your hopes, your dreams, your goals. I think ngayon, distracted ka eh, no? Yung iba sa inyo, kumbaga parang nagkalat yung ideas nyo or basta hindi organized. So that is something that you have to work on sa life nyo ngayon. To know what you want and ano yung direction na gusto mong tahakin. Ayan, no? You have to put things in order. So this is the moon in the 6th house. 6th house is about organization, pagkakaroon ng process, detail-oriented, manipulation. You have Jupiter in the 8th house. So, meron kang kakayanan na maayos, ma-manipulate yung sitwasyon mo ngayon because the 8th house is change, rebirth, and Jupiter is expansion. So, there is something na, kumbaga parang existing na yung abilities mo na yan, opportunity na yan, ikaw na lang yung mag-expand yan. So, yun yung aalamin mo na ano ba to? Ano ba tong oportunidad na to na nasa harapan mo na hindi mo pinapansin na pwede mo siyang i-expand. You have Venus in the 2nd house. Some of you, pwedeng merong relationship, connection, romantic connection na you are interested in right now. Pero feeling ko yung iba sa inyo hindi kayo ganun ka-open sa relationship at this point. That is because you are somehow distracted or inaayos ka about your finances or yung goals mo. And hindi mo maisip na parang feeling mo, your love life can also be a distraction. But meron naman tong potential if you are open to this relationship. Be bold and make the first move. So, kailangan daw ikaw ang gagawa ng action, like ikaw yung gagalaw ng baso. Ikaw yung mag-initiate. Whatever you want to pursue, hindi to pwedeng hintayin mo lang kung kailan darating yung oportunidad. Ikaw ang gagawa ng action. Ikaw yung gagawa ng paraan. Talk less, feel more. Ayan. So, meron kang kailangang pakiramdaman sa sitwasyon mo. Mas maganda na mag-observe, makinig sa paligid mo. Kasi pwedeng distracted ka nga, like for example, pagising mo sa umaga, naka-cellphone ka kaagad. Try to do some meditation and then obserbahan mo kung ano yung mga ideas na dumarating sa'yo. Because you can use these ideas and turn it into something magical, something productive sa buhay mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.